A lot of people tell me I can't meal prep. Like I hate eating the same thing. Like it gets boring. Like trust me, I understand. Like I love food. I love to eat good. So what I did in this video, I simply portioned out some chicken, seasoned it accordingly, made it. They do it. Now, because I'm trying to hit 3,000 calories every day, I have to scale out my food because I have to know exactly how much I'm eating in every portion so I can keep track of it and make sure I'm hitting my goals. Y'all don't need to do that. I mean, you can. For chicken, I double the serving size. That way I'm getting more protein and calories. It's funny because like I walked into the kitchen, I was just like, I guess I'll just do this. Ooh. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's just chicken pasta, beans, and shrimp. Perhaps a bit time consuming it with the shrimp. Like I like to peel my shrimp and then cook it. That way you could just eat. You just eat. To just get your hands all dirty and stuff. Like get it dirty while they're already dirty. You know what I'm saying? Leave your comments under the video. Let me know what you thought, what you liked, what you didn't like. You know what I'm saying? Like help me help you. You feel me? Also, other things that y'all want to see in the future. Let me know so I can start working on them now. I hope you were able to find some value from this video. Okay. Y'all have a great day.